Life is so good. Na tuendelee hivyo. Present sisters are on the move. Dinner time. The ghetto. What to plot for?
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Morning. Let's say even a snag gloss. Oh my days. I hope I'm going to start up. There's this thing. Imagine to call Audacity to raise your hand and vlog, Audacity to just do shit. It's currently 11. No? Just 11 bado? 10:51. I'm on a walk. Naendea dawa. Nilikuwa nasema hivyo alafu najua singekuwa na vlog because I would want to look back and see what I was doing at this time. Anyways, naendea dawa because I'm coming down with a very bad flu. God, nilitumia nikachukua matatu bro. I'm on my fourth one and it's almost full. So, yeah. It's a fasted morning walk. I'm gonna go get dawa. It's looking so pretty outside as well. See that? Oh my days. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. I also want it to be device free. I'm not trying to get anything wrong. Pictures nayo lazima tupige. Yeah. Which is lazima. Okay. I'm gonna love you and leave you. And go on my morning walk. It's supposed to be relaxing as well. Nitoke nje nione mandhari. Tembeze miguu kidogo. Nachoka nini? Okay, bye. Nachoka kuinua mkono. Hii ni yenye Dorina alikuanga nayo. Boot camp. Nilikuwa mama nijaribu. It wasn't that bad. I had like 2 sips. Sasa nilikuwa na homa yangu. Ngajambiaje? Chanjaribu. And it's not even rough on the tongue. But ikifika kwa throat imenirogea throat. My throat is on fire. But it's working. I'm actually feeling my throat clearing up. Ukiona naikunywa hivyo haraka. Ukiiwacha inawaka kwa koo. It's ginger lemon honey. Wellness beverage. Life is so good. Na tuendelee hivyo. Hapana, imetosheka, thank you. Walinipatia hizi so I wanted to show you guys. Biodegradable sanitary pads. Sijana organic. Yeah. Okay. The testable is very nice. It's so nice. It's so yeah, it's so good. Yes, yeah, girl. Uko majani ndani. But yeah, good morning. Yeah, that's nice. Feels really good. I've not been out here in such a minute. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And if you call, I'll run. Yeah. Morning. I can't even think. You can't believe me when I tell you I have been up since 3 a.m. You look awake. I've been up since 3 a.m. I've been doing a bit of thinking, a bit of contemplating, journaling, mostly journaling. Junilamka 3 and I made the mistake of going to the bathroom. And then I couldn't go back to sleep because I was thinking about things. So I decided instead of thinking, let me just journal them. Alafu started journaling from around 4:44. 4:44. Yeah. So I've been doing that. It's currently 6:40. Then I decided to step out. I also took a bit of a break because I needed to do a bit of thinking concerning what I was journaling about. But yeah, I decided to step outside to see if there was actually sunrise. And I don't think there was because it's cloudy. It's cloudy. Can you tell? It was cloudy in the morning. This was not even gonna be a vlog. I'm just filming random days and shit. So hell yeah. Today's an exciting day. We're going to be getting our tripod and our headphones. It's 6:40. I'm gonna go back to a bit more journaling, and then I can start getting ready for the day. I'm gonna be out of school by around 9, just so I could get to Upper Hill and then come back, run my errands in town. By the end of the day, I'm gonna be having a tripod and Oraimo headphones, God willing. Yes, sir. And then tomorrow what are you gonna be doing? Oh yeah, tomorrow's just a reset, and then on Friday, Chikobite. Yeah, okay. Bye. Crazy. Okay, go. I'm not sure if it's great. Can you camera me chop it Okay, let's go unbox. I can't even believe I'm in awe. Who they are. Hi. Okay, hi. I do not have a lot of time to waste. Nafaku edit the post video at Judas Space. Anyways, that's besides the point. I was at the Kenya National Library today. I think I showed you guys that. This video is in literally no particular order. I'm just vlogging whatever feels vloggable. Anyways, I did a big one today. Okay, like this literally has my nervous system shaking. So after I came from, excuse my voice, I have a flu. After I came from the Kenya National Library, I had a few errands to run in town, and I was going to look for a tripod. If you have been here, excuse my voice. If you have been here, you know. If you have been here, you know how much I have been complaining about a tripod. I have cried. I have complained. I have been. Oh, guys! I finally have a tripod. Okay, let's unbox her because I think this is what I'm gonna be using, because I'm currently using my ring light, so I think this is what I'm gonna be using. So I wanted to unbox that. I do think I wanted to do also an unboxing for TikTok. Maybe I could do that tomorrow. My roommate is not in, I think. That's why I'm vlogging. Otherwise I couldn't vlog when I got back. Oh, okay. Who the hell? Who the hell? Who the hell? Oh my god. I don't think I have processed the fact that I have a freaking tripod. Bro, I'm going to be putting it back, of course, and unboxing it on my TikTok. But I got a tripod. Actually, I have cried about tripods. Kidogo nakumbuka niko na homa. Anyways, this is what it looks like. And then it came with a phone. Let me get it. Hold on. Let me get it. I'm just hoping my room isn't working right now. Because that's Zoya. I barely talk in my room. Especially unless she's not around. I'm lying. So she told me to just screw this bad boy in. Oh my god. Like, I have a freaking tripod. I don't even think you guys realize this. Like, I have been over here crying and being like, oh, tripods. I need a tripod. I now have one. So what I was looking for was a portable tripod. As you can see, I can see myself vlogging. And then hapa you just adjust. And okay, so you can open it like this. And then this is how it works. You just place it like the lighting. You see, and if I'm filming like on the table, you can just see what I'm filming. I went to the first location and then they gave me some very weird tripod and they're selling it for a very expensive price. So this is what we're dealing with. This is what you're working with. You see? And you can just be filming the vlogs over here. You saw me try this. I mean, I saw it and I knew this is the one that I was going to get. This is very much breaking the bank kind of purchase, but I don't feel bad about it. I do not feel bad whatsoever about it. So other than it being portable, and obviously I can use hold on. Because oh, okay. I was worried because how was I gonna be vlogging? How was I gonna be doing my TikTok vlogs? I was like, what oh my god! Okay. Okay, so you think it's just about turning the camera whatever angle you want, and then just tighten it. It is sending corner. What am I doing, for example? Let me just turn this. It's not that much time that I'm trying to abuse her, but I do not have that much time, babe. Yeah, okay, that's better. And then just okay, so what I was looking for, other than it being portable, this is just something that I can always put in my bag on the go. Tripod mzima inaenda uko 2 meters, 6-7. Okay, other than that, this thing can be extended. I don't think you understand. This bad boy. Wait. This thing is like I could extend it hadi kesho yani. It's that big. Like, oh my god. Height. It's that long. Like inafika kesho hadi cheki. Iko huko juu. Oh my god. Look. I have been manifesting a tripod since the year began. Matter of fact, since I started content creation. This bad boy is so long. Mnacheki. Like, it means if I want to do vlogs, I can literally just do them from Hapa. I don't even think you understand. Oh my god. Ona, I can literally just like become like overhead vlogs. You'll be bored of it. You'll be bored of it. And like, oh my days. Last when and then I just talk to you guys like, oh my god, hi. And then if we want, you can just always have like a karaoke. Hello. Hey. It's 7 p.m. Excuse my voice. And then of course, nikishamalizanga na biashara zangu, I can always. I can what? Geukia mwenzako mwambie zetu. I can always put it together like this. This is what I call a portable tripod. You're bored. Because I have never used this much money in one day. I have used money on people, but using money on myself, this much amount in a day, I was hyperventilating. Niko na like 2 minutes, so I'm just going to introduce the next product. Alafu we're going to unbox it when I actually have space, because I'm not about to rush this product. I have not had a tripod. Niko na tripod. Why guy? We're not going to unbox this bad boy today, but I have a new pair of headphones. Let's be civilized. I got a new pair of headphones. I had headphones, my first ever pair of headphones, and I got them back in like 2022. Ziliharibika last year. They were involved in a bit of an accident, and I've been without headphones for a whole year. And I finally have them. And the thing is, I saw my friend with it, and I knew I was going back to Oraimo for sure. So when I saw my friend with this and then I tried them on and they were comfortable and the sound quality was good, I knew this is exactly what I was feeling again. Yeah, I've loved listening to this. I'm actually getting this for myself very soon. So, hello. I am going to be unboxing them when I have space on my phone because I literally have less than 1 minute to talk to you. So, yeah. I can finally use my tripod, Sasa, because it's here. I have a tripod. Okay, I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I will see you when I see you next. That is when you're unboxing this bad boy. Hello. I've been feeling like a bad bitch all goddamn day. Brothers and sisters are on the move. What you doing? What you doing, huh? Hey. Mnajua hii sweater na mnajua hii location. Bro, maybe. What's gonna come out? No. Nimekuja kama mgeni nimejiserve. Today is 10th October. Niko na space kidogo sasa karibu. Tuko Clinton. Nimenipatia mchele plain nimejichukulia. Ndio ule natupikia breakfast. Wewe nyumba yako imeanza kuisha hewa. Ngoa mlango na madirisha. See you baadaye. Hey. Tuko kwa Clinton na simu imepotea. And we're going out to run errands. Okay.
Please take your cash.
So what location? Usiambiwe ati leta yote ni nini kuweka. Hi girl, hi. Tumefika kwa hao. It's currently, nasikia di accent yangu inachange ama ndio nimeanza kutumia do. It's currently 1:30 p.m. na ndio tumefika. The delivery guy just left na tumeleta meza na kiti ya Clinton. Anyways, I want to help set up. Obviously naenda kuingia kwa ile corner of V, and this is my birthday gift to him because today is his big day. And I wanted to give him a little something, and this is what I could afford. Not the fact I could afford to give him the world when some tender happy. Do you guys have anything else to go? Okay, thank you. So I get a set in corner space, but this is what we want to do. I want to clear. So now I'm conscious of clear. I wanted to clear and panguza up, then start to your meza and then set everything up. I wanted to journal. Let's go on my pack journal, so we just got ourselves a table, and of course I'm leaving it here down. So I don't know. Ningetoa tripod, but sasa I need to unbox it first. So we are working with what we have, baby. Okay, just mama food. Okay. Sasa issue ni simangu na time lapse. I literally don't know how Clinton anafanyanga usafi kwa nyumba. Like akona dust of course. But sasa how do you do this? Like, am I supposed to finyilia huko ama who the hell? What is happening? Also nimefika kwanza because nimekuja na delivery guy anakuja na gari kutoka nyuma because we couldn't fit all of us kwa hiyo nduzi. So this is currently what we are working with. Is coming along nicely. Oh my days, kitanda kuna meza. He has one thing in his house that is not a gas, na kitanda. Yay! Introducing Clinton's birthday gifts. Yay! I know he's excited. Hata kama atakuwa tu hapa mnanchallenge ati hizi vitu tumezoea. Bitch, we know. We know you're excited. Okay, so I think what I want to do is do a bit of cleaning, organization and chilling before Clinton afike hapa. Nasikia kutumia vitu vizuri kama masoda hivi magele kwa kiasi hivi. But let's first of all organize the house because I've made a mess out of it. Sasa tunakona kuweka masukari. So occupied. Time to organize the house. Hey, yo nini nakaa genje. Tumeingia internal storage and I have freaking 7 minutes. So sasa tunabidi na extension. Hii ni kubwa sana nataka kufika huko. Munda kuweka hapa chini. Hapo iko sawa? Hi. Because I'm not using my phone to document this, so I don't know if I'm supposed to be filming this for my TikTok or for my Instagram. Not for my Instagram, but for my YouTube. Hey! Z. Hey guys. Aya poleni. Apana Russia. Hi guys. Mkwaje, how y'all doing? We got ourselves a little something on Wednesday, and apana zima. The lighting is good. Sasa tunataka kutengeneza shadows kwenye nikae ile picha wanapenda TikTok na X. Ile lighting ni rembo yani. Utashikia? Apana, songa. Yes, especially shadows. Hi guys. Okay, so we unboxed this tripod with you on Wednesday because that is when I got it. Then it's lighting mbaya. I'm sorry. Anyways, that is the tripod that I'm currently using, and we're going to use it to unbox this. As you can see, it's already open because I was excuse me, I was unboxing it for my TikTok, so I wanted to unbox it with y'all here. Okay, let's get to it. Let's get down to business. Okay, so this is how the package comes. Aki ningepiga picha mara ya kwanza. I don't know why I go. It's much of us nini shida. No. Have to cover second and third. Higher. Okay, so the last pair of headphones that I had, this is the first ever pair that I had, and it's also from Oraimo. When we were getting it, I didn't know which one I wanted to get and which one I was to get. So me, first of all, I felt like Akina Sony, JBL, nini. Then we got them, and then I don't know, come on, the lady ama the guy, the attendant and got like, see, you try this one in the market, nini. I was like, yeah, let's get that. So I got this one, and they have been so nice. Oh my god, they have been so good. So I knew if I was gonna get another pair of headphones, they had to be Oraimo. That I already knew. So we had a bit of an accident last year, and I have been without a pair of headphones for how long? A whole year. So I decided to get a new pair, and this is for purposes of content creation. And I am so tired of not having to edit when I want to. I want to edit anytime, anywhere. Like I can just pop these bad boys on and edit. So yeah, hell yeah, go to the game. We got some mock choker, but nobody cares. My choker, yay! There you go. These are my new babies. Okay, there you go. And they're also so comfortable. Like, oh, this is extending kuchini kama hizi. This is extending hapa juu. Who the hell? Why am I shouting? Locked. Hi. That's how they look like, and they're so comfortable. Aki nani? Okay. I think we switched them on. Power on. Okay, and they're so unique. They're so kind with it. Power on. I'm playing Golden Brown X Love Story by Stranglers. So my label, bro. Oh my days. Amesoma tu hapo anamoja nimalize. We're done. And those are my new babies. Haya. So nataka kuwekea zile. So that's that for the unboxing. Nita mwezi amini nini kila na koroga hivyo kwa sufuria. The ghetto.
And suddenly you wake up one day and life is not the same as it used to be.
Okay, thank you very much. Nimemaliza stay yangu at Clinton's. Guys, my stay here is done. Hizi nyumba sitaiona venye zinakaa ndani ama zijamaliziwa. Hizi zinakuja na kitchen cabinet Clinton. It's obvious. It's 5 p.m. na ndio tunatoka kwa Clinton. We've had an amazing weekend. So nana, baadaye. See you when I see you next. Watu wa plot 4.